This beautiful purple hydrangea may look detailed, but it's actually created using simple one-stroke techniques. Let me show you how. Welcome back to my 30-day one-stroke painting series, and this is day 11. Let's start with the background. I'm mixing a warm beige shade using flesh tint, a little brown, and a touch of yellow. I'm keeping the color soft and light so it complements the purple flower. Using a flat brush, I'm applying this evenly across the canvas to create a smooth base. Once that's done, I'm adding a little lemon yellow here and there. Using a sponge, I gently blend it to create a soft, warm glow in the background. This adds depth and keeps the background from looking flat. And then I'll let this dry completely. Now that the background is dry, I'm starting the hydrangea with a dark purple base. This will form the lower part of the flower and help create depth. Let it dry completely before starting flowers. For the flowers, I'm using light and dark purple acrylic colors and white for highlights. For the bottom section, I'm painting a mix of light and dark purple petals with flat brush number 6. These strokes are slightly deeper in tone to create shadow. Now moving to the middle area, I'm adding a little white to the purple. This gives a softer tone and helps build the form of the flower. I'm not focusing on perfect shapes, just soft, repetitive strokes. For the top section, I'm adding more white to the purple to create a lighter shade. These highlights give the flower a natural bloom effect. I'm placing them gently on the top areas, where light would naturally fall. This step brings the hydrangea to life and creates that full, rounded look. Using small filler strokes, I'm layering the petals gradually. To enhance the look of tiny flowers, I'm adding a few small dot details. This simple step makes the cluster look more defined and realistic. Next, I'm painting the leaves using sap green and brilliant yellow green. I start with a base layer and then add simple one-stroke details. Keeping the strokes loose and natural helps balance the composition. Using a small flat brush and double loading technique, I'm painting the stem. This keeps it clean while still blending naturally with the rest of the painting. And here's the final painting, soft, simple, and completely beginner-friendly. I hope you enjoyed this process. Try it out and let me know how it turns out. See you in day 12.